Hello everybody. I might sound a bit scratchy today because I just woke up, but it's right now vacation is pretty early in the morning. But yeah, so I'm gonna be playing the Battle Cats. Now this is part 2. I know we didn't hit 15k likes like we wanted to do last time, but I'm just going to do it anyway because I've been waiting for a while to do this. I have no idea where we left off. I'm just going to play the moon. And a lot of stuff here. Ooh, what's that? 50 cat food. Yay. Winner tickets. Alright. Ah. Oh my gosh, why is there so much stuff going on? Oh my god. Okay, is there anything new here? Nope. Alright, let's just go get our tomato auto cat. Wait, he's coming back, See what they got. Alright, let's see. So okay, you know what, let's just get to the rewards. Alright, let's send him off. No, full expedition. There, goodbye. Alright, now, event capsules. What are the event capsules? Try once. I really should get to the point. Dang it. Come on, CPU, because I tried doing it on the moon, nothing worked. So we're gonna head all the way over to the moon, because I have no idea where we left off, but I'm not spending like a lot of parts to do this. Alright, got your face cat. Some new enemies might show up. Let's spawn our meat shields. Alright. Let's get these guys. Let's get Paris Cat in here. Alright, Face Cat's really slow, but it's Face Cat versus Face Cat. Except Face Cat is that Face Cat on the left is very more scary. Like, wait, why did I say it like that? Really scary, how about that? To see his face, like, what is wrong with your face? Alright. No damage seems to be going on that guy. So maybe we could try that? To just at least get rid of the hippo? Yeah, that's good. We spawn a lot of cats. Some people may be asking, what is this game about? Like, this game's not fun. Well, it's kind of an entertaining game. I don't know how to explain it without an entertaining game. It's just fun. Come on, get him! Boom. Bro, we on a roll. It's getting to the point where... Out you go. Alright, let's spawn that guy. And let's spawn that girl. How about this? If this video gets over 100 views, I'll do a part 3. How about that? Does that sound fair? Since, yeah. How about this? If I get one subscriber... Actually, no. How about... Oh, yeah, we did it! If we get past 100 views on this, then we can do part 2. Alright, we did that. Now let's go to the Empire of Cats. I was playing a little bit. Alright, Korea. Yeah. Let's go to Colombia. Because... Cambodia or whatever. Because those 4 levels, like I said, are like just weak. Easy guys, so weak. Come on, I actually want a challenge. You know, let's see what happens if I... You know, I'm just gonna make this go fast and just spawn my face cat. Spawn my fish cat. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's get these guys out of here. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Cat capsule, can you go to the rare capsule? Can I go to the rare capsule? Yes, I haven't did this thing in so long. Let's do this. Whoa, super rare. We're just gonna claim him. Katsu Cat. So, the thing I like to do is I like to replace them if they're not good. Let's change it for XP. I mean that might sound dumb, but I don't want to waste it. So, let's go back into storage. Let's equip. Use all. Alright. Now, let's head over to upgrade. Wait. Let's head over to equipped. Now, the cat I don't really want to have. I usually get rid of the skier cat or the ice skating cat. So we're going to get Katsu Cat, but first let's upgrade him. Upgrade. Okay. Not enough XP? Really? Right. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'll get that guy before I get these guys. Alright. Come here. Wait, no, I didn't need to do that. That was the wrong one. Yeah, no. We're going out. Let's go over to Madagascar. Seems good. Yeah, Madagascar was a good choice. Alright, let's wait. Let's get the meat shells out so they could just knock back all these guys. 2 is enough to at least knock out 1 stick. And that guy's fast, kind of. Nope, never mind, he's slow. Alright, let's see what this guy does. Wait, hold on. I need to see the description of that guy once I'm done. If it can, I'm just gonna stop spawning and let the rest die. And if that guy can't defeat a penguin, then I'm not gonna keep it. So we're gonna test him the next round. Come on, get the gorilla. That guy can be related as a meat shield. Yeah, he died, so we're not gonna use him anymore. Alright, yeah, let's get them all out of here. I like how we just wiped away just like the 2 of the gorillas. Like, I'm like, alright, let's get this down here. Just, out you go. Alright, yeah, hold up. I need to go back to equipped and... What? Okay, I need to get back. Okay. Something is in menu, so I have to go... Best thing to do is just equip them so you can get cat money. Yes, these are all my cats. They're all question marks. Like, so cool. Okay. Let's go back to equipped. Let's get... No. Oh, that's in... Wait, what? Wait, where are you in this? Guys... I'll be back when I find it.
Later.
I found it, so... Let's put that guy back here. Alright, let's head back. Let's go to start. Alright, let's head over to Russia. I want to see what Russia has. Okay, then you want to challenge me? You want to challenge me? I know it feels weird to just skip levels, but I want to do it because I want to get to an actual challenge. We're doing good. We're doing good. Not really. Oh yes, let's spawn. Okay. We can at least just slow them down. Well, we can probably get rid. Paris Cat has no. Is like can get. Sorry, I was just had a burp stuck in my throat. It could just she could just wipe out like all of the yak or goat, whatever, or bison's existence. Because just one hit, like one flick of the wrist from her, and then she just poofs them all. Alright, let's spawn face cat. Fire. Okay, that was smooth. I like the way it was just smooth like that. I don't think we need to spawn any of my Lasvos and the yellow angel girl. I forgot her name. The funny story how I got her is like, so I was at my friend's house. I was at one of my friend's house. I'm not gonna say who, but it's a YouTuber who has like 170 something subscribers. So I was at his house, and we were just going through because I had like at least like 10 rare cat capsules to open, and like rare cat tickets, like 10 of them. And then like I had all the worst ones, so I got XP from it. But the last one was the luckiest one. I got the yellow girl. If I were to say what her name was, I think it would be Kronos. Probably not. Wedding Kronos. Alright, her name's Kronos. I don't know if it was a he. Connie. I'm a guy, by the way. That's how I got the name up. I bet you I could just wipe out all existence just by using all my meat shields. I know this is not really fun. Oh wait, I accidentally spawned that guy? Okay, not bad. Oh, they just... You know, I'm just gonna play fair. I'm just not gonna play fair, and I'm just gonna spawn it. Go, 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 fire! Whee! Can't think of a Battle Cat's joke right now. Or the way they all just like slam their heads on the ground at once, like watch. See that? Hold on, I'll show you. I have to cut the screen to do it though. So a funny story, I won while I just was trying to cut my camera, but as you can see, they're kind of like doing it at the same time. Okay, we're gonna do one more round, and then we're just gonna stop the video there. Let's go to the last level before we go to the moon. Hawaii. And credits to Dedicated Turtle for helping me defeat Chapter 2. And credits to myself for defeating Chapter 1 and Chapter 3. Alright, let's get all these guys out here. Go away, gray penguins. What even are they? I like the copper penguins, but why are they gray? If they weren't, then you probably would have had, jaundice, which basically you eat too much carrots. That probably was the wrong reason, but that's what I've learned from Google so far. I'm just clicking random things. Like at this point, it's turning into World War II or World War III. I won! Yay! Alright guys, that's going to be the end of our video today. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notifications and hit that bell. Remember, my favorite color is red. Right, that button down there. But most importantly, my favorite color is gray, because when you hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. And guys, remember that if this video hits more than 100 views in 10 days, then I will do a part 3. If not, then it's going to be delayed until March. So, yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notifications. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Woo!